Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to sing without straining your voice. If you've ever felt pain or tension, don't worry, it's a very common problem. Even professional singers deal with it sometimes. The good news is that there's a simple and effective way to fix it. It's called SOVT exercises. That sounds complicated, but it's very easy. It simple means that you partially close your mouth or lips when you make sound. Doing these vocal exercises help you to create less pressure on your vocal cords so your voice can vibrate freely and naturally. The first SOVT exercise is lip trill. You might know it as the lip bubble or lip rolls. Relax your jaw, and as you exhale, let your lips vibrate. It should feel easy and fun. Now go up and down. Let's move on to the next exercise with a straw. Place the straw between your lips. As you exhale, blow into the straw while making a sound. You can hold a note, or you can slide between notes very slowly, like this. Try it a few minutes before you sing. It's like a massage for your vocal cords. Next exercise, humming. The hum is great because it keeps the sound resonant and easy. Keep your mouth gently closed and let your lips touch softly. You should feel the vibrations around your lips, your nose. Slide up and down. If your throat feels tight, imagine the sound going forward, not down. Now let's try the NG exercise, like at the end of the word sing. Say the word sing and hold the NG at the end. Sing, sing. You need to use the back of your tongue to connect with your soft palate, the back of the roof of your mouth. If you pinch your nose, the sound should stop completely. you want to practice more, alternate between NG and ah, like this. Now let's move on to the last exercise. V and Z. These sounds naturally create resistance, which is perfect for reducing vocal strain. Gently place the bottom edge of your upper front teeth on the outside of your lower lip. Let's try Z, like the word zoo. Place your hand on your throat and feel the buzz. Feel your vocal cords vibrating as you make the Z sound. Z. Z. If you keep using these SOVT exercises every day, your voice will feel lighter, your high notes will be easier, and your vocal tone will sound richer. You can check out my full vocal warm-up session on all streaming platforms: Spotify, Apple, YouTube Music, and more. Make it a part of your daily singing routine. Even 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more vocal warm-ups and vocal tips. Until then, see you next time.